Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the list comprehension in Python with conditionals. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, this is the whole syntax here. But before going to this particular syntax, let's see how we can do it without the list comprehension. Okay, so first of all, we are having this fruits array or the list. Okay, please excuse me for just interchangeably using the array because I am a JavaScript developer and in JavaScript it is array. Okay, so inside of Python it is list. All right, so this is our fruits list. So here what we want to do, we want to filter out all of the fruit names which contains the letter A. So how we can do that? Okay, so let's declare another variable. So fruits underscore new, okay, equals to an empty list. Okay, now for fruit in fruits, all right, what we can do if a, the string a in fruit, then what we want to do, we want to append that particular item to this particular list. Okay, so fruits new dot append, and here we can append the fruit. Okay, now after that let's print the fruit new. Okay, all right, so this is how we can filter out all of the fruit names which contains a inside of them. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting apple which contains a banana and then mango. Okay, so now let's see how we can do the same thing with the list comprehension. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just comment out this one. All right, now we have to declare another variable, the same one, basically fruits new underscore new equals to, and then we have to open up the square brackets because we are doing the list comprehension. So what we have to do, we have to do something like this. So fruit, okay, for fruit in fruits, all right, then if a in fruit. Okay, I know this is a little bit confusing, so let's go here. So we have to add the expression for item in the iterable if the condition is true. Okay, that is what we are doing here. So we are having this expression here for the item inside of the iterable if the condition is true. Okay, if a is in the fruit. All right, with that being said, if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting the same results. Okay, so we are getting the same result. So apple, banana and mango. So once again, to recap that, what exactly is happening? So for fruit inside of fruits, we are filtering if a is inside of the fruit, then we are keeping that inside of this particular list. If not, then we are not doing anything at all. Okay, all right, so this is how we can write conditionals with the list comprehensions. Now in case if you are wondering, like, hey, we are using the if statement here, how we can use the else statement here. So for example, what I want to do here, I want to just change this banana to something like orange. So how I can do that? So I can do that by using this one. So fruits underscore new equals to, and then we have to once again open up the brackets here. Okay, and once again we can do anything like x or something like that, but here I will be more descriptive, so I will just add fruit as my variable name. Okay, if the fruit is not equals to banana, Okay, else orange for fruit in fruits. Okay, so this is a mouthful and this is a quite a long of a syntax, right? So what exactly we are doing here? So if fruit is not equals to banana, then all right. If it is equals to banana, then instead of storing banana, we want to store orange. Okay, and it is for what? For fruit inside of fruits. Okay, so if I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting apple and then orange, then cherry, kiwi, and mango because the banana is currently gone. Okay, I hope that makes sense. In that way, we can use the if else statement inside of the list comprehension as well. But we cannot go the ellipse and so on and so forth, right? We cannot write a whole bunch of if else conditions inside of the list comprehension. For the simple ones, yes, we can do that inside of the list comprehension. And also for simplicity and readability of your code, when you are having multiple if else conditions inside of your code, you should do something like this. So here, whenever you are having multiple if else statements inside of your code, you should consider this approach instead of using the list comprehension, because this approach will be much more readable, right? All right, so this is the list comprehensions with conditionals. Okay, awesome.